Frozen/burst pipes and what you should do. When the pipes in your home burst, there is something that you should be aware of. There is also a sign that you should be looking for when it comes to knowing whether or not your pipes have burst. This is a big thing to consider when it comes to making sure the quality of your home is the best that it can be. When you decide when it comes down to it, what is out there for you to use, you have to consider so much more and know that this is the problem and that you need to have it fixed as soon as possible. When it comes to seeing the signs earlier on, there are many of them that you should look out for. These signs can make a difference when it comes to knowing what to do, and knowing when to do it soon enough. These signs are a big thing when it comes to being in a home with no heat, and not being able to keep it warm enough not only for the people that lie within it, but to heat up the pipes in the home so that they do not do this. Signs of burst pipes in the home. When it comes to the signs of burst pipes in the home, consider the condition that the home is under. Is there heat flowing throughout the entire house? Is this heat something that should be in the home because the water is on in the home, and also sitting in the pipes? Is there water leaking everywhere throughout the home, down the walls, on the floor and into the ceiling of the home? This can be a strong indicator that something is wrong within the plumbing system of the home. Did you hear something pop and then crack, and then water fall down throughout the walls? This is something that can indicate a problem in the system. Taking these into account is a big thing since you want to make sure that you're not ruining anything else throughout the home, and that you're actually doing something to fix the problem before it becomes a much bigger problem in the end. This can be a time to consider what needs to be done in order to take care of the problem at hand. What you have to do when it happens, when you think pipes have burst in your home, then you have to take care of the problem. This problem is not one that you should take lightly when it comes to deciding what to do and when to do it. Look at the many different things that you should look into when it comes to the pipes in your home and making sure that they are taken care of. Find the source of the leak. When you can see the problem seeping out of the pipes, down the walls, into the ceiling or floors, then you're able to pinpoint the problem better so you have something to tell the plumber. Call the plumber to let them know what exactly is going on, and why the pipes might have burst in the first place, whether there is heat in the home or not. Once the problem is fixed, you want to make sure that you can get heat back into the home as soon as possible, that this problem does not happen again, and that you're able to take care of the pipes when the plumber leaves, or else this could cost you additional money in the future to have them come back and replace additional pipes throughout the home. Take the time to check into what is out there, while making sure that you're using your head wisely for what needs to be done. You need to make sure that you're taking every possible step and then going from there. You should feel good about the choice that you made, while also knowing that you have what you need and nothing else. When it comes to having broken pipes, or any other problem, you can give us a call here. We are able to let you know more about the job that we can do to get you back up and running so you do not have to worry about a thing. We want to make sure that your home stays in good shape and that you're able to feel comfortable inside without having a bunch of leaking water throughout the walls and floors of the home. We also have an emergency line for you to use when the time comes. This is something that can be called whenever you need additional help after the regular business hours. Someone is always on call to answer what needs to be answered, so make sure to take the next steps and make the most of the company that you can trust for the job. We are the premier plumbers for the Dallas area, and we are able to make the most of the work that we do, when we do it to ensure that you can live comfortably in a home that has the proper plumbing throughout.